Wait, before you assume anything from the title, I am not quitting YouTube, but something big is changing on this channel, and if you've been here from the beginning, you need to see this. For the past 1.5 years, I've been running this channel, dark psychology content, anime clips, faceless style, and honestly, I loved every second of building this, but there was one problem. No matter how hard I tried, new ideas, new formats, new topics, the growth just wasn't happening. The videos weren't reaching the people they deserved to reach, and I had to sit down and ask myself one honest question. Is it the content, or is it the way I'm delivering it? And the answer hit me hard. It was the format, so I made a decision. Same channel, same topics, psychology, self-improvement, mindset, human behavior, but everything else is changing. No more anime clips, no more old format. From now on, this channel is gonna have stick figure animated videos, simple, clean, and designed to explain deep psychology concepts in the most engaging way possible. Think of it like this: complex psychology, broken down through simple characters and stories that anyone can understand. No complicated visuals, no confusion, just pure, raw, powerful ideas delivered in the simplest way possible. The kind of videos where a simple stick figure teaches you something that changes how you see the world. This isn't me running away from the old content. This is me leveling up because you guys deserve better. You subscribed to this channel because you wanted to learn something real about psychology, about yourself, about how the world works, and I want to deliver that in the best possible way. Stick figure animation does exactly that. It's cleaner, it's more powerful, and honestly, it hits different. To everyone who has been here from day one, thank you. You kept this channel alive when the numbers weren't great. You commented, you liked, you stayed, and now I promise you this: what's coming next is going to be worth the wait. This isn't the end of Dark Domin, this is just the beginning of something much bigger. So stay subscribed, turn on notifications, because the first stick figure animated video is coming very soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thank you everyone. See you in the next one.